Welcome to Compliance Corner from Certrec, your trusted source for regulatory insights and industry compliance news. Compliance with NERC reliability standards is essential for utilities, generators, and transmission operators. However, some standards continue to see frequent violations. Here's a quick breakdown of 5 NERC standards that are commonly violated. PRC 5, Protection System Maintenance, is essential to prevent misoperations and cascading outages. Violations often result from missed testing or incomplete documentation. FAC 8, Facility Ratings, requires entities to establish and maintain accurate facility ratings to ensure the grid operates safely within equipment limits. Violations commonly occur due to incorrect ratings, outdated assumptions, or inadequate coordination between planning and operations teams. Mod 25 generator gross and net real power capability ensures that generator capability data is accurate and verified through testing. Violations typically occur when entities fail to perform required testing, submit incorrect data, or maintain inadequate documentation. PRC 24, Generator Frequency and Voltage Protective Relay Settings, ensures generator protective relays are set to ride through abnormal frequency and voltage conditions. Violations typically occur when relay settings are outside required thresholds or when documentation and coordination studies are incomplete. CIP2, Critical Cyber Asset Identification, requires accurate identification of critical assets. Violations occur when systems are misclassified or documentation is outdated. Staying audit-ready requires consistent testing, robust procedures, and thorough documentation. Certrec offers expert solutions to help operators avoid NERC violations, streamline compliance, and strengthen overall grid performance. For more insights on NERC standards, compliance trends, and best practices, visit Certrec.com. Like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell icon to stay informed on the latest NERC standards.